Hello friends, welcome to My Butterflies channel. Today we will listen to one more story. Once there lived a flock of crows. Charles is the leader of the flock. Charles, Cherry are happy couple among the flock. One day, Cherry laid 5 eggs. Both of them are taking care of their eggs in their beautiful nest. But things didn't go well. A wildfire had spread the forest. The flock of crows has to choose a different home. Charles and Cherry couldn't able to save all of its eggs except one. They brought that one egg to the new home. One fine day, the egg hatched into baby crow. They named him as Calyx, which means very handsome. They raised him with so much of love, care, and protection. Every day they tell to his baby that how handsome he was. Calyx is also so happy with the love, care, and protection from his parents. It started believing that it is the most handsome bird, and slowly it developed arrogance. He started believing that he is the most handsome bird, and slowly it developed arrogance. He started thinking that other birds are not at all looking pretty. Now the bird has grown up and developed its wings, which means he was ready to fly. Charles and Cherry asked Calyx to make new friends to fly with them. But Calyx is reluctant to fly with any of them, as he is feeling that they are not good looking to join. Few of the crows approached Calyx if he could join with them, but he refused and told that he would rather fly alone, but not to join with them. Calyx's parents tried to convince him, which went in vain. Calyx started flying alone, keeping a distance with the rest of the crows. One day, Calyx watched a beautiful flock of pigeons. Calyx thought that he should join them as they are looking good compared to its own flock. Still, he is trying to find negative remarks of those pigeons as well. He flew and tried to catch the pigeons' flock. The pigeons didn't welcome Calyx nicely. When Calyx claimed that he is the most pretty and handsome among all the birds and asked if he can be part of their flock, they started making fun of Calyx on his looks and on the name which doesn't suit him at all. They even attacked Calyx and harmed. Calyx had fallen on the ground. With Calyx not returning home, Charles, Cherry, and other crows started searching for him. Calyx slowly gained conscious and approached the river nearby. Seeing his own reflection in the water, he couldn't believe himself. He felt embarrassed with his looks. He realized how arrogant he was with his own flock. The other crows, along with Charles and Cherry, found Calyx nearby river. Calyx came to repent his arrogant behavior. He also asked his parents why they lied to him that he is most handsome one. His parents told that it was their true feeling out of love towards him, and it's the same even today. The real beauty lies within ourselves, but not on the looks we have. Calyx realized the true essence of beauty and handsome, and he started playing around with its own flock and lived happily forever. Self-realization is the true factor in the life, which can effectively change the true sense of your life. Thank you.